Hello, today's lesson is about angles in quadrilaterals, and we're going to be finding missing angles. But we're going to start with our times table starter as normal. So just working on these, pause while you're working on them, and then we'll mark our own in a bit. Welcome back. So here's the answers, just marking your own. Okay, so here's a quadrilateral. So look at that word quad there, like a quad bike. It's got four wheels. A quadrilateral is any shape with four sides. So we've got things like squares and rectangles, trapeziums, kites. The one here is not got a special name. This is an irregular quadrilateral. And we can see all those internal angles or interior or inside angles all add up to 360. So just copy this shape here and this A plus B plus C plus D equals 360. And then we'll have a look at some examples. Okay, so here's our first example. So as we just said, all of these four angles must add up to 360. So just like when we did with missing angles in triangles, our first job is we add our known angles together. So we're going to add those three together. Again, it's a column addition because we've got no calculator in these questions. So it's good practice for our column addition. So I've got 154, 92, and 81. So 2 plus 4 is 6, and 1 is 7. So I've got 5 and 9 is 14, plus 8 is 22. Oops. So I'm not sure what's going on here. 2 and carry 2 here. So 2 plus 1 is 3. And our second job then, a column subtraction. We're going to get 360 and we're going to take away that 327. So I can't do 0 take away 7, so I'm going to borrow 1 from here. So I've got 10 take away 7 is 3. 5 take away 2 is 3. So our angle X must equal 33 degrees. So let's have a look at our next example. So again, I'm going to just add all my known angles. So I've got 114 here, 82, and 57. So 4 plus 2 is 6, and 7 is 13. So I've got 3, I'm going to carry 1 over. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 8 is 10, and 5 is 15. So we're going to put 5 and carry 1 again. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we're going to get our 360 because we know they all add up to 360. And we're going to take 253 away. Okay, so 0 to take away 3 I can't do. I'm going to borrow 1 from there. So I've got 10 take away 3 is 7. 5 take away 5 is 0. And then 3 take away 2 is 1. So our angle X is equal to 107 degrees. So let's look at our next example. Okay, so same as always. I'm going to add up our known angles. So I've got 56, 147, and 88. Add those together. So 6 and 3 is 13, plus 8 is 21. So I've got 1. I'm going to carry 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. Plus 8 is 19. So we've got 9. I'm going to carry 1. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So we're going to say 360 take away 291. Okay, so 0 take away 1 I can't do, so I'm going to borrow 1 from here. 10 take away 1 is 9. I've got 5 take away 9. I can't do that either. So I'm going to borrow 1 from here. This is going to become 15. So 15 take away 9 is 6. 2 take away 2 is 0. So we've got 69 here. So our angle X is equal to 69 degrees. Okay. Right, so we're going to do our main task now. So there's 6 here to do, finding the missing angles. There's also a challenge question, which is on the next slide. So you can pause anytime you like while you're working, and then we'll come back and mark our own. Okay, so here's the challenge question. Welcome back. Let's mark our own. So here's our checking question now. So we've got what we call a right angle trapezium. So we've got two right angles here. Okay. And we've got 127 here, and we want to find the angle Y. Okay, so there's 2 ways we could do that. We could add up 127 plus 90 and 90, or we could recognize that these angles here, these lines here, sorry, we carried them on, they would be parallel lines. So these 2 angles would add up to 180. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to say 180, take away 127. Okay, so Y is equal to 53. So if you just wanted to check that makes sense, you could say 127 plus our first 90, then our second 90, and that 53 we've just found. This adds up to 360, then we've done it right. So 7 and 3 is 10. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 9 is 12, and another 9 is 21, and that is 26. Got 6 there, carry the 2, 2 plus 1 is 360. Okay, so thank you very much. I will speak to you soon. Goodbye.